Hello, everyone. Thanks for being here. Over the years, we've been asked a few basic and repetitive questions about Zoho for Startups, such as, is Zoho for Startups a product or a program? How do we get started? Who is eligible? And how does Zoho Wallet credit actually work? And so on. We have put together this webinar to answer all those questions and hope that it serves as a useful guide for all the startups like you tuning in here today. Now, let's rewind a little. Imagine it's 2015. The startup ecosystem is still young, with limited support and policies. From finding a co-founder and the right market fit to onboarding your first 50 customers, the road was challenging. Digital payments were rare. Cash transactions ruled the economy. The same can be said for business software. Manual operations were prone to error. With a lack of network opportunities and many more unseen struggles, starting a new business was no easy feat. Fast forward to today, startups still have to struggle with the classic headache, cost versus growth, while also meeting investor expectations. On top of that, you have to worry about sustainability, market saturation, hiring issues, and most importantly, choosing the right software tools for your business. We're here to address one crucial requirement of opting for the right tools to help founders like you cut through the noise and focus on growing your business with the right tools from day one. With all that said, the process of choosing the right business software has its own checklist, like balancing costs and time while exploring and adopting new tools, focusing unclear SaaS needs to manage operations efficiently. More unknowns, such as hidden privacy constraints, integration gaps, future scalability. With countless software vendor confusions, it's easy to feel lost, isn't it? Picking a software partner without understanding these risks may lead to disruptions as your business grows. The right software, strategies, and support systems can help startups like you navigate these roadblocks and scale with confidence. This is where Zoho comes in. With more than 25 years in the software space and over 55 applications, Zoho provides an integrated operating system, ensuring future-proof solutions with world-class privacy and cost-effective adoption. We have a proven track record with more than 120 million users of Zoho apps. With Zoho, you can focus on the smart way by making use of the free and trial versions of our software before committing to paid plans. Streamlining business operations with the right combination of tools that meet your needs with necessary integrations. Safeguard your and your customers' data from day one with our scalable software. Connect all of your departments, like sales, finance, HR, and marketing, in one place, so you don't need to juggle between multiple vendors and platforms. While the right software can help you get started, the right guide can help you scale and sustain. That's where Zoho for Startups steps in as the platform for startups wanting to explore Zoho's applications and choose what's best for them. For more than 8 years, we've been positioning Zoho for Startups as a connecting piece in the startup puzzle. Started as Zoho One for startups in India in 2017, now Zoho for Startups is active in 20 countries and is still expanding. This is an initiative designed to help early-stage startups adopt the right software tools, ensuring that they can focus on their growth without unnecessary complexities. Through this program, you can get access to Zoho's premium tools using Zoho Wallet credits, which will be valid for 360 days, options to explore more than 55 different business software with just one login, technical support and product demos for trusted hands-on help, assistance in choosing the right software stack based on your unique needs, insights from industry experts on growth strategies through workshops, webinars, and social media. There's also an opportunity to join with peers and experts through Zoho's community forum. Also, you'll get extensive hand-holding and support through Zoho partners for a fast-track onboarding experience. Going back to Zoho Wallet credits, you can claim these credits in 2 stages. Get access to Stage 1 credits if your startup meets our eligibility criteria. You can get more credits unlocked in Stage 2 by hosting your domain with Zoho. Considering the competitive pricing of Zoho Mail and Zoho Workplace, these 2 products alone cannot be bought using Stage 2 credits. Remember that once Stage 1 credits are deposited to your Zoho account, You must claim Stage 2 credits in less than 15 days. Both sets of credits have the same validity of 360 days, which starts when the Stage 1 credits are enabled. As part of the Zoho for Startups program, you gain access to more than 55 business tools, all developed in-house and designed to work together seamlessly. Whether it's managing your sales, finance, HR, operations, or marketing departments, you can handpick the apps that suit your business needs and build your own ideal software stack. These credits will help you experiment, expand, and grow your business. The pricing of Zoho products is economy sensitive, so the value of Zoho Wallet credits will differ between countries. To help you understand the value of the Stage 1 and Stage 2 credits, we've provided the range of licenses you'll be able to purchase for any of our bundled suites. Zoho One is a bundle of more than 45 individual applications. You can purchase 4 to 5 licenses using Stage 1 credits and 2 to 4 licenses using Stage 2 credits. Similarly, the Zoho CRM Plus bundle can help you set up the Customer Experience Command Center. You can get 2 to 3 licenses using Stage 1 credits and up to 2 licenses using Stage 2 credits. We have the value proposition for other bundles too. You can pause the video to check them out. It's important to keep in mind that Zoho Mail and Workplace cannot be purchased using Stage 2 credits. Both the Stage 1 and Stage 2 credits are reserved for Zoho product subscriptions only. They can't be used on Manage Engine or standalone applications such as Trainer Central, Control, Zakia, or Vikra. While the credits can be used to purchase any edition of an eligible product under any plan, monthly or annual, they cannot be used to renew annual subscriptions. You'll get a detailed terms and conditions document when you register for the program. We'll also include this document in the welcome email you'll receive once your application is submitted. This way, we keep all of the information about the program transparent so that you can make informed choices from the very beginning. Now that we've outlined the credit structure, the next step is determining how startups can get started and begin making the most of these offerings. Let's walk through the process of who can claim the Zoho for Startups program. You must meet these 3 criteria to be eligible to join the program. Startups associated with incubators, accelerators, or other enablers with whom we have a collaboration. Startups with no history of subscription to Zoho products. This does not include free trial plans. Startups who haven't received Zoho Wallet credits through the program before. Eligibility for the program differs slightly across the countries where it's operational. We've listed the basic and most important criteria here that are standard across the countries. Any additional criteria specific to your country will be presented on the website and through emails after you register. Once it's determined that you meet the eligibility requirements, getting started with Zoho for Startups is a straightforward process. Let's go over it. First, visit our website, read through the details, especially the FAQs, and then navigate to the application page for startups. Next, make sure you have a Zoho account before filling out the application. Remember that an account created in Zoho Mail cannot be used to process the credits. So if this applies to you, you'll need to choose a different Zoho product to create an account or login. Once the account is set up, fill out the application form with all of the necessary details and check our terms and conditions and privacy policies before submitting. You'll receive a welcome email. Make sure you go through it, understand the terms and process of our program thoroughly, and send us an acknowledgement email as a response. We'll begin our validation process after we receive your response. If you're already aware of Zoho products, you can do some research and pick the right applications for your business. If you're new to Zoho, don't worry. Our concierge can help you pick the right applications for your business. We can discuss this in more detail going forward. If you meet all of the criteria, it will take 2 to 3 business days for the Stage 1 credits to be added to your account. Once you've claimed the Stage 1 credits, you become eligible to apply for the Stage 2 credits. However, this is an optional offer, and you can skip these steps if you're happy with just the Stage 1 credits. To be eligible for the Stage 2 credits, you must host your domain in Zoho and map it with your Zoho for Startups application. All of this needs to be completed within 15 days from the date of Stage 1 activation. For a more detailed step-by-step instruction, keep track of our emails. We'll share necessary details and links to resources that will help you complete the required formalities. To help you with any program-related questions that arise during the application process, or if you need help understanding the credits, eligibility criteria, terms and conditions, and other questions you may have, we're an email away at info@zoho4startups.com. In order to ensure a smooth software experience, our support team is ready to help you with product demos and product-related questions, such as understanding the features, resource support, and configuration issues. Just reach out to support at zoho4startups.com. Even with all our support, stepping into a new software environment, especially one that has more than 55 applications, might be challenging and overwhelming. That's why we have a team who will help you choose the right tools for your business, based on your requirements. All you have to do is fill out a form and wait for the team to reach out to you. Don't forget to respond back to get the support you need. If you need extra hands-on help with onboarding, setting up, implementation, integrations, or even customizations, our trusted Zoho partners can offer you assistance for a charge that will be based on your needs. And to keep you ahead of the curve with the best tips, tricks, and practices, and to stay on top of industry knowledge, we recommend following Zoho for Startups on our social media platforms. Over the years, countless startups have experienced the benefits of Zoho for Startups. While we've talked about the features, the tools, and the impact, what truly matters are the real stories that bring it all to life. S4S Technologies is an agri-tech startup focused on solving farmers' challenges by transforming farm losses into value-added products. Through the Zoho for Startups program, the S4S team got the best tool for digital transformation. With everything under one roof, they found Zoho One invaluable because it saved time and avoided complex reintegration. They also complimented Zoho people for improving coordination across operational units, Zoho Analytics for powering their reporting, and Zoho Books for simplifying their accounting. Next, we have Utopia Tech, an IoT startup working to save energy by reducing electricity waste. Zoho WorkDrive's intuitive design made file management seamless for their team. They praised Zoho People and Zoho Payroll for automating attendance and expense tracking, which saved them both time and effort. Then there's Testimonials, an EV charging infrastructure firm in the mobility and energy sector. They have leveraged Zoho for Startups credits and discovered that even those without a tech background can easily navigate Zoho applications. They found Zoho Books to be particularly user-friendly, especially its cloning feature, which they found incredibly helpful. With Zoho CRM, Zoho Social, and Zoho Sign streamlining their entire workflow, Testimonials can now track their leads efficiently, giving them a clear view of their operations. Well, these stories remind us that every dream and vision can turn into reality. At Zoho for Startups, we take pride in being a part of that journey. We believe that with the right support, startups can focus on growth instead of dealing with tech hassles. Let Zoho for Startups be the bridge that connects your vision to success. Thank you.